Step into a realm of effortless cleaning with the Kenmore 600 series pet-friendly lightweight bagged canister vacuum. A true titan in the war against dirt and pet hair. This isn't merely a vacuum. Rather, it is a master sculptor, meticulously shaping your living space into a pristine sanctuary. Its dual motor system operates with the symbiotic precision of two dancers, gracefully coordinating to deliver powerful suction, while the Pet PowerMate attachment, a loyal hound in its own right, diligently seeks and removes stubborn pet dander from every nook and cranny. For instance, the Pop-and-Go brush, so swift and agile, transforms from a floor-cleaning powerhouse to a targeted tool in a flash, allowing you to seamlessly transition from deep carpet cleaning to delicate upholstery without missing a beat. The Kenmore Pet-Friendly Canister Vacuum is thus a chameleon of cleanliness, adapting to your every need and consequently leaving behind a trail of immaculate surfaces. Furthermore, this machine is a breath of fresh air, quite literally, as its advanced HEPA filter acts as a formidable guardian, trapping 99.97% of dust, pollen, and allergens. In other words, it is a silent sentry, ensuring that the air you breathe is as clean as the floors you walk on. The lightweight design, complemented by an aluminum telescoping wand, provides an extended reach, allowing you to conquer high ceilings and under furniture spaces with the ease of a skilled acrobat. Likewise, the retractable cord, a coiled spring of convenience, disappears with a simple press of a button, ensuring a clutter-free and safe storage experience. The 4 included cleaning tools, moreover, are like an artist's palette, providing you with the perfect implement for every surface and every mess. In this way, the Kenmore Pet-Friendly Canister Vacuum is more than just an appliance. It is an ally, standing ready to help you reclaim your home from the clutches of everyday grime. Finally, the Kenmore 600 series pet-friendly canister vacuum is a testament to thoughtful design and superior performance, a shining beacon in the world of home maintenance. Its bagged system acts as a sealed vault, containing all the collected debris without the messy plume of dust associated with bagless models. Consequently, disposing of the mess becomes a simple and hygienic affair. The rich purple hue of the vacuum is not just a color. It is a statement, a bold declaration that cleaning can be both powerful and stylish. Additionally, its quiet operation is a whisper in a world of roars, allowing you to clean without disrupting the peace and tranquility of your home. Ultimately, this vacuum is not simply a tool but a partner, and it tirelessly works to transform your house into a haven of health and harmony, making the Kenmore Pet-Friendly Canister Vacuum an essential addition to any home. Pros: excellent suction power, on-board storage of most used accessory tools, retractable cord, rotary brush that works on both hard and soft floors, 2-motor system making suction equally fantastic, quieter than most other vacuums, toe operational height adjustment, fingertip, continual variable suction power, uses a bag making it much easier, neater, and dust-free. Pet tool is motorized, not air-driven. The canister has a stair grip which holds the body on the stairwell. The entire thing is only like 13 pounds. Power on, off and PowerMate on, off or on the grip. HEPA bag and HEPA body filter keep all the dirt in. Overall, this is a 5-star vacuum. Wand, pet tool, crevice tool and brush are excellent, reasonably priced. Cons: cord could be longer, canister steering takes getting used to, mostly plastic traction cord, gets very hot in the body, floor tool door opens unexpectedly, hose, grip, and wand fall over easily, accessory tools lid doesn't stay open. Features: lightweight, bagged canister vacuum, Pet PowerMate, Pop-and-Go brush, 2 motors, HEPA filter, telescoping wand, Retractable cord for cleaning tools. Purple. The Kenmore 600 series is a lightweight, purple bagged canister vacuum designed for pet-friendly cleaning. It features 2 powerful motors and a HEPA filter to effectively capture dirt, dust, and allergens. This model includes a Pet PowerMate attachment for deep cleaning pet hair, a pop-and-go brush for quick touch-ups, and 4 additional cleaning tools for versatile use. For convenience, it has a telescoping aluminum wand, a retractable power cord, and a lightweight design for easy maneuverability. The Kenmore 600 series pet-friendly canister vacuum is a lightweight, 13-pound unit that offers powerful cleaning with its 2-motor system. It includes a motorized pet tool, a unique pop-and-go brush, and 4 other cleaning tools that can be stored on board. The vacuum has a retractable cord and features fingertip controls for both power and suction. It uses HEPA filters and a bagged system to contain dust, making disposal neat and easy. While it has some minor drawbacks like a short cord, steering that takes getting used to, and a mostly plastic build, its excellent suction, quiet operation, and other convenient features make it a highly rated 5-star choice for pet owners.